Science in 60 seconds with me, Brittany, the Black food scientist.
A long-awaited video is coming on high fructose corn syrup, but first I want to lay some groundwork. Before we even dive into a video on high fructose corn syrup, we have to understand the types of sugar. So let's talk about saccharides. And don't worry, I won't be as boring as your intro to chem professor. Saccharides are another word for sugar or carbohydrates. There are two we typically associate with sugar, mono and disaccharides. Mono meaning one, di meaning two. Monosaccharides are also known as simple sugars and are the most basic unit that complex carbohydrates and sugars are built off of. You probably know a few monosaccharides like glucose and fructose. Some others are listed above. And disaccharides are made up of two monosaccharides, things like sucrose, which we normally call sugar. How sweet! And lactose, for all my tummy trouble people out there. If you're wondering, high fructose corn syrup is a disaccharide. We'll get more to that next week. Monosaccharides are readily metabolized and absorbed by the body to give us fuel. If not readily needed for metabolism, they're either stored in our muscles, our liver, or converted into triglycerides or fat. Disaccharides, on the other hand, need to be converted into their monosaccharide counterparts to be able to be used by our bodies. This is done by a process called hydrolysis. Wait, am I back in college? Essentially, water, hydro, and an enzyme break down the bond between the two monosaccharides to make them useful to our bodies. An example is lactose being broken down by lactase, which is the main ingredient in Lactaid. If you know, you know. Once broken down, the different monosaccharides have different effects on our body. But you'll have to wait till next week to learn more. The anticipation is killing me! And now you have another useful science fact in just 60 seconds.